In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Claude AI login issues, a simple troubleshooting guide. If you're stuck at the sign-in screen, don't worry. These quick checks usually get things working again. First, open the Claude AI sign-in page and try logging in using either Continue with Google or Continue with Email. Make sure you're selecting the exact email address linked to your Claude account, especially if you juggle multiple Google profiles or work and personal emails. A common hiccup is being signed into the wrong Google account in your browser, so double check which one is active before you click through. If you're using the email option, head to your inbox and look for the verification message. It can take a couple of minutes to arrive, so give it a moment. If it's not there, check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes automated emails are filtered by mistake. If you still don't see it, try searching your inbox for keywords like verification or the service name. Also, avoid clicking the sign-in button repeatedly in a short time. Multiple requests can delay or confuse the process. If that doesn't do it, clear your browser cache and cookies, then refresh the page and try signing in again. Old session data, outdated cookies, or a browser extension can interfere with authentication. Clearing cache and cookies gives you a clean slate. After you clear them, fully reload the page or open a fresh tab before attempting the login again. If you prefer not to clear everything immediately, you can test quickly in a private or incognito window, which uses a fresh session without your stored data. Still no luck? Try a different browser, device, or internet network. For example, switch from Chrome to Firefox or Safari, or try logging in on your phone instead of your computer. If you suspect a network issue, move from your current Wi-Fi to another connection, like a trusted hotspot. These changes help rule out compatibility problems and local network blocks that might be stopping the sign-in flow. Finally, consider whether Claude might be experiencing a server outage or a temporary authentication issue. If the service is down, nothing on your side will fix it in the moment. Check the official status page or recent service updates. If there is an incident in progress, wait for the all clear and try again later. Follow these steps in order and you'll resolve most login problems quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you back into Claude smoothly.